Hello and welcome. To merge your PDF files into one, first, sort them from top to bottom in the order you want them to appear. Now, select all from top to bottom and right-click on one of them. From the right-click menu, choose Quick Actions and then select Create PDF. A merged PDF file is now created. Note that this one has 3 pages, consisted of the selected individual PDF files. It is like if it helped you, subscribe to see more tutorials, comment to ask questions or to give feedback. Thank you.